jump in to, this is lesson 3, and I'm going to show you how to put these first 2 scales together. If you're looking at the neck diagrams, this is still lesson 1. So you have scale 1 at the top, scale 2, and then at the very bottom you can see the area of overlap and how they kind of fit together like a jigsaw puzzle. So what we want to do next is, since we're in the key of A here, let's kind of find our A notes out of this first shape for minor pentatonic. Remember, we had A here, here, and here. This A is also in our second scale. So we have this A and this A. So A, 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 right? And now you've learned the first scale, you learned the second scale, we're going to put them together. And if you look at the tab, we're double picking again, and we pick up that first scale, down the second scale. Now remember, these are 2 different patterns, but it's the same 5 notes that we're learning up the neck. So this would be A, C, D, E, G, A, C, D, E, G, A, C, A. Like, that's it. Those are the 5 notes. A, C, D, E, G, A. A, C, D, E, G, A, C, D, E, G, A, C, D. So even though I'm playing the second pattern, it's the same 5 notes. Here we started on an A and played those notes. Here we started on a C and played those notes. So remember, we're mapping out the pentatonic scale across the neck. These are not 5 individualized, scales. It's the same 5 notes, all right? So let's start at the 5th fret, and I'm going to show you how to connect the 2. And usually I tell people this. If you've learned the first pattern where your pinky was, that's where your second scale begins, your second pattern, right? Your second shape, however you want to think about this. So it would look like this. We're going to do the first scale, down, up. We're going to do the second scale, down, up. And then we go back to the first scale again, and then we move up 1 fret. So it'll look like this. We've already identified our roots, so. We'd move up 1 fret. Up again. And then we'd move up again. So now we've got that first shape, we've got the second shape, we learned them separately, now we're putting them together. So now we're starting to stack them on top of each other. So shape 1, shape 2, move back to shape 1, move up a fret, shape 1, shape 2, shape 1, move up. So we're working on our picking, we're identifying the root note of the scale in each pattern, and we're getting our hand to work out, so we're building some endurance. We're starting to make some connections between these areas of overlap between the first 2 patterns. And hopefully, by week 2 or 3, we're starting to gradually be able to increase our tempo, where we're getting these patterns worked out, starting to identify the neck, and things are starting to come together. So say we've got the first 2 scales down, we're going to jump in to the next scale.